Within a location, you will find the calendar in the left-hand HACCP menu. If it is not displayed, you can add the function to your license model at any time. The calendar always opens in the current calendar week, with the actual day highlighted in light blue for quick orientation. Use the search bar or filter options to easily find specific checklists or tasks. For instance, you can sift through and exclude checklists that were started spontaneously, or choose to view only those checklists that include tasks with extra photos taken. You can navigate through the calendar week by week using the arrow buttons. Click on the blue date if you want to jump forwards or backwards in time. You will be taken to the day view by clicking on a specific day. When working with areas, the view is structured accordingly, including information on which roles have the corresponding authorizations for an area. The design of the calendar view was deliberately based on the app. Colored numbers represent the status of checklists. White stands for pending tasks, green for successfully completed tasks. Yellow and purple markers indicate that employees have properly documented irregularities. Gray numbers represent deactivated tasks, while blue displays that irregularities have been dealt with, a sign of a well-functioning HACCP concept. You can also see whether tasks have been marked as completed by those responsible or whether this has been done automatically by selecting the relevant response templates within the app. Red numbers are an alarm signal. They show that the tasks in the app have not been processed. Those responsible should now initiate appropriate measures and document this accordingly. The calendar also provides information about service breaks. This explains why no tasks were completed on certain days. Then there are the partially transparent checklists. They provide an overview of the scheduled but not yet active tasks, ideal for checking the accuracy of newly created checklists before they go live. Another very important function of the calendar allows you to view the history of individual tasks. Not only can you find out when a task was completed in the app, but also the exact time it was synchronized with the dashboard. Important information in the event of weak Wi-Fi or occasional internet outages. It is also possible to resolve irregularities directly in the calendar. This works in the same way as in the Issues section and ensures even faster processing of irregularities. In summary, the calendar provides comprehensive transparency of all processes in your company. It is faster and more informative than individual reports and not only provides you with an overview, but also enables you to quickly rectify individual irregularities.